IELTS speaking sample answers are written in a natural, fluent speaking style, with ideas you can adapt to your own experiences. Describe the good things about the carnival. When did you visit it? How could have the carnival been made better?
A visit to the carnival. I visited a carnival about 2 years ago during a local festival. It was organized in an open ground near my neighborhood, and I went there with my family and friends in the evening. There were many good things about the carnival. It had colorful decorations, exciting rides, food stalls, and fun games. I especially enjoyed the Ferris wheel because it gave a beautiful view of the entire area at night. The carnival also had live music and performances, which created a joyful and lively atmosphere. However, the carnival could have been made better in a few ways. It was very crowded, and there were long queues for most rides. Better crowd management and more seating areas would have improved the experience. In addition, cleanliness could have been handled more efficiently. Despite these issues, it was an enjoyable visit and a great way to relax and have fun. Thank you so much for learning with me. See you in the next lesson. I hope you like this video. Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you're notified when the next video comes out. Also share this video with your friends so they can improve their IELTS score too. See you in the next video.